Hey there, morning warriors! Want a power-packed start to your day? Check out this amazing morning smoothie recipe that's bursting with goodness. Ingredients: oranges, dates, yogurt, milk, avocado, banana, spinach, nuts. Benefits: energy boost. Oranges and bananas provide a natural energy kick to kickstart your morning. Nutrient-rich. Dates are packed with essential vitamins and minerals to fuel your body. Gut health. Yogurt contains probiotics that support digestion and keep your gut happy. Calcium source. Milk is rich in calcium for strong bones and teeth. Healthy fats. Avocado offers heart-healthy fats for sustained energy. Iron power. Spinach is loaded with iron for oxygen transport and energy production. Protein punch. Nuts provide protein for muscle repair and growth. Blend up this delicious smoothie and feel the energy surge through your body. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more nutritious recipes to keep you going strong all day long. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious drink to fuel your body after a workout? Look no further. Introducing our energizing weight gain shake, specially crafted to replenish your energy levels and support muscle growth. Ingredients: oats, chocolate, peanut butter, cocoa powder, milk. Benefits: energy source. Our shake is packed with wholesome ingredients like oats, peanut butter, and cocoa powder, providing you with a steady source of energy to refuel after a workout. Muscle building. Protein-rich peanut butter and milk help repair and build muscle tissue, supporting your fitness goals and aiding in recovery. Please note, while this shake is a great option for most people, it may not be suitable for individuals with diabetes or low blood pressure due to its high calorie and sugar content. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more mouth-watering recipes to fuel your fitness journey. Let's drink to health and vitality together. Hey breakfast lovers, ready for a morning boost? Here's a quick and easy breakfast bowl recipe that's bursting with goodness. Chia seeds, milk, mango or avocado, blended, yogurt, chopped nuts for topping, protein power. Chia seeds pack a punch of protein for strength and repair. Calcium boost. Milk keeps bones strong with its calcium content. Vitamin packed. Mangoes or avocados provide vitamins for immunity and skin health. Healthy fats. Avocados offer essential fats to keep you full and focused. Gut-friendly. Yogurt supports digestion with probiotics. Nourishing nuts. Crunchy nuts add extra nutrients for a satisfying meal. Whip up this nutritious bowl and start your day right. Follow us for more easy recipes to brighten your mornings. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey while keeping your energy levels high throughout the day? Flaxseed, sesame seeds, raisins, dried prunes, dried apricots. Milk benefits: steady energy. Packed with fiber-rich flaxseed, sesame seeds, and dried fruits, our shake provides a sustained source of energy to keep you feeling energized and focused throughout the day. Weight loss. Support. The combination of nutrient-dense ingredients and fiber helps promote feelings of fullness and satiety, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Nutrient-rich. Flaxseed and sesame seeds are rich in essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, supporting overall health and well-being. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more mouth-watering recipes to support your health and wellness journey. Let's toast to a healthier, happier you.
Essential tips for a vibrant complexion. Do you want your skin to look vibrant and healthy? Let's talk about some simple tips for skin health. Cleanse gently. Use a mild cleanser to wash your face twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Moisturize daily. Hydrate your skin with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to keep it soft and supple. Protect from the sun. Apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Eat a balanced diet. Nourish your skin from the inside out by eating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. By following these simple tips, you can achieve a vibrant complexion and keep your skin looking its best.